Cat 26 here, just who just appears in hobbies. Welcome to my channel, guys and gals. This is a regulator for an O2. I am on O2, and this is right here is how you regulate it. This is 2 liters. That's 1 liter. Okay, this is a continual flow. But what I want to show you is if you put this on your bottle, this is cranked out all the way, and you've got your 2 pins. Put the 2 pins into the bottle. You crank it down, you turn it on, and oh my God, the gas starts coming out, the oxygen. Okay, what's happening is inside here, see right there? There's a little filter in here, okay, that can come loose and come onto the bottle. Okay, and that comes off. See that? Okay, so you have to find that or get extra ones. What you do is you put it back on the tube and you seat it all the way down. And it'll seat down when you crank down this part right here, the clamp. Okay, and that's what you need to do. So it seals around the exit of the bottle where the oxygen comes in, flows through the meter, and down here, this is your tubing right here, into your tube, okay, and then your cannula. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but that's what I want to show you. So get extra ones from your oxygen company if you find that these fall off. That way you're not like, oh my God, I'm stuck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.